Hi y'all, Rachel here, and I'm modeling this super cute Angashian shirt. I'm a size small. I'm about 5'4" and 125 pounds. And so as you can see, the length is a little bit longer. It covers my bum, so if you wanted to, you could wear these with leggings. I'm personally wearing jeans, but I thought it looked really cute with leggings as well. The sleeves are about 3/4 long, and it's got like this loosey flowy look. The sleeves are loose and flowy as well. However, if you want to roll them up, on the inside it does have like a little tab, and on the sleeve itself it has a button, so you can make these into shorter sleeves if you'd like. And then those buttons match the 3 buttons that are across the front. It's kind of like this cool wooden texture, and I personally like it longer though, so I'm going to leave it long, but you do have the option to make it shorter. And then I like the loose look, but I like to tuck it in and show a little bit of belt. So I would be wearing it more like this once I style it and have my look. Probably tuck the back in as well, actually. Yeah, I think that's super cute. So this is the look that I really like. I'd throw on like either a pair of booties or a pair of sneakers, depending on where I'm going. But really easy to dress this shirt up or down. It's versatile, and I just really like the overall look and fit of it. I like that it's nice and loose and flowy. So definitely a great shirt for summer. I'm excited to go ahead and wear it out with my girlfriends. So hope you like my review. Have a good day. Bye.